no. Oh my god, no. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Why? No. No. This can't be right. This can't be right. This right here just ain't cutting it. You're a B58, not a pussy hole. How does the back of the car sound like it's going for a menstrual cycle? And how is a clock ticking sound from the fuel injectors louder than the air filter? Doesn't make sense, does it? You better fix your act up or else there'll be trouble, alright? Well, of course then, guys, something at home and something in today's video is going to be changing that up. So let's get our ass back home and change this atrocity. Ugh. Oh Lord Jesus! Oh my god, inside this box is mad. I can't wait to get this installed. They gave me blue balls with this flipping air filter. This is actually a newly released product, I think. I had to wait like a month for this, but it was worth the wait. Oh my god! On the inside of the engine bay, we are gonna be dripping with carbon fiber because we've got a carbon fiber intake now, boy! RAMAIR, what we saying? Up next, oh my flipping Lord Jesus. I don't know if you can see in there, but that is literally a flipping propeller on an aeroplane. Literally, that is gonna suck some birds up, mate. But yeah, we've got this nice heat shield to keep it protected from the engine bay. Oh my god, this is too lit! We got this wiggly thing. Oh, and, oh my god, it looks like we've got a bloody another charge pipe. Jeez. This plus the Forge Motorsport charge pipe, oh my god. It is gonna suck the shit out the air. Yeah, boy! RAMAIR have been supporting me for the past like 3-4 years now. But yeah, all of this is gonna get installed on the BMW M240I today. Now, of course, before we actually get all of these goodies installed on the B58 engine, I would, of course, like to say a massive thank you to the sponsor of today's video, CarVertical. CarVertical have been a massive sponsor of the channel since I don't even remember. And they've been helping you guys out so much, making sure that you know everything about a used car you're about to buy. So if you guys don't know who CarVertical is a used car history checker. And this will actually scan through an entire car's history and tell you if there's been mileage fraud, if it's ever been crash damaged, if it's ever been sponsored stolen. It will show you MOT history and everything. So when you're actually in the used car market and you find a car that you like, you quite simply take the VIN or registration from the car, put it through CarVertical, and it will produce you a report full of information that will help you decide if this car is worth your hard-earned money. So then, here is actually a Nissan Qashqai I found online, and here is the report from CarVertical. As we can see, we've got green ticks for theft. We can see that it is not currently wanted or stolen, nor was it stolen in the past. If we check the odometer, don't know how to say that, we can actually see that there's no mileage fraud detected. As you can see, it's a steady increase with no dips in it to represent a mileage rollback. It's green ticks for financial and legal status, so it's recently passed an MOT. It's got no outstanding finance on it either. However, it was actually damaged twice, and it was marked as an insurance write-off as a category S firstly, and then a category N. CarVertical is so powerful, it even shows us pictures of the damage, and as we can see, this probably wouldn't be the best car to go for even if it was repaired. So don't use CarVertical too late. You might be stood in front of a perfect car now, but it might have once looked like this. So if you guys are at all interested in CarVertical, click the link in the description and use my discount code TOS for money off your report. CarVertical could save you thousands of pounds and a lot of headache. So anyway, thank you to CarVertical for sponsoring today's video. Let's actually head downstairs and get this installed on the BMW.
Dead ass.
Now, because the air filter is located so close to the turbo, which is going to get hot, I've actually got a little something to install right here. It's actually right below you. This right here is an additional heat shield to protect the air filter, and I bought this from a company called Nforcd. So this quite simply bolts on over the turbo and basically protects aftermarket intakes from heat soak. Of course, we already have that heat shield from RAMAIR, but this is just an additional one. Even if it brings it down 0.5 degrees, it's still something. So a proper easy mod to install to the B58. Literally 2 existing bolts, take them out, and then reinsert them in with the heat shield. Simple. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the heat shield is all installed around the turbo. So underneath there, the turbo is down there. So hopefully that will deflect a little bit of heat back down into the engine bay instead of into the air take. Right, next up, we have to cut a hole in this. Or not in it. I need an angle grinder to cut a hole in that. But we need to cut this little thing. Oh my god, this rubber's strong. I literally broke the fucking scissors.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in
Pump it up, you gotta pump it up. Oh. Oh. Just gonna break my radiator. Now then, this, guys, is where it gets serious. The cone filter is about to be going on the car, and look at that contraption. Oh my god. What car's that? That sounded mint. But we've actually got everything installed from the turbo elbow up to where the intake is going to sit. That is going to be absolutely insane. And we've got the heat shield on, and it fits very nicely, actually. Again, don't know if that will make any difference, but now it's time to get the cinematic music on and fit the last piece of the puzzle, the cone air filter. Oh my gilly goodness. I have waited through thick and thin for this air filter, and it is finally going on the car. And just like that, the RAMAIR filters are all installed. We've only got 2 bolts and a Jubilee clip spare. Don't know where these go, but... Oh, never mind, we've got 2 Jubilee clips left. Don't know where that goes. But underneath here is actually the creme de la creme of this filter. Oh my god, the carbon fibre intake cover. You can run it without, or you can run it with, but it looks so much better with. Oh my god, I'm creaming. Mum, I'm creaming. Mum, I'm creaming. Absolutely in love with it, the way it looks. With that nice carbon fibre cover. This was not planned. I would love to say that this is a custom job from RAMAIR just for the OtherStuff. But unfortunately, this is just their new product for the B58, I think. But it matches with all of the carbon fibre. If you guys don't know, there's a carbon fibre theme with this car. So it's only right to have more carbon fibre. Right, so I think what I'm going to do is go get changed, because I probably smell, and then take this car out and see if there's any noise difference. Oh, all right then. So first start up. Let's go. Cheese. Well, it starts. Love that. Everything good so far. Okay, right then, so we're now actually on the road. I can't hear a difference as of yet. Come on, give me something. Give me something. What the fucking, what the fuck? I just burped. Blood. No, hold on, hold on. I need to stop. I think, holy blood. It sounds like I've got a supercharger. What? Hey? What the fuck was that? Definitely can hit a massive sound increase. On a standstill, it doesn't sound as good. It's just a massive, deep. Are you hearing that? No, honestly, guys, when it's building up boost, it's mad. And it's got a little like blow-off valve. It doesn't have a turbo front. It's a nice blow-off valve noise. Grand car, but oh, we're on fuel reserve. Love that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Now it's a B58. You got the sucking noise from the front, and then you got the pops in the back, the double res delete, and now we're talking. With the MX-5, when I got my RAMAIR filter installed on there, I couldn't hear shit, man. I could hear a little bit, but because it was so far away, it was past the engine, down, I couldn't really hear it. With this, that is mad. Just an air filter, mate. Performance-wise, I haven't noticed a single difference. It is very hot today. It is literally going to be 30 degrees today, and it's already, right, sweltering my nipples off. You know, like a cake with icing. It is literally, my nipples are melted like icing. Do you need a bloody tissue with that? And I really like, right, that we've got the heat shield that I bought from Nforcd, and then we've got another heat shield from RAMAIR. So like, we've got double heat shielding. Will that make a difference? I have no flipping idea. Ooh! Oh my god! Yo, legit, I'm so happy, especially even with just the how it looks of the RAMAIR. Like, the RAMAIR filter just looks insane. With the carbon like cover to just enclose it from that little bit more heat, it really adds to the engine bay. Of course, we need a bit more carbon in the engine bay now, unfortunately. RAMAIR's just giving me an excuse. Fuck's sake, RAMAIR. You know when something's burning, your nose just goes off like, oh, coolant, oil. My nose is doing that. What the fuck was that? Have I just unlocked a death golem? You know when you go to the Netherlands in fucking Minecraft? Why does it literally sound like like one of those the little spirally fiery things that fly in Minecraft, you know, that shoot flipping shit at you, and it's just so hard to kill them because they fly. They basically got a minigun in fire, like, but listen. Bloody hell, back at the fuel station. Literally, I filmed my drive for me like yesterday. I'm back at the bloody fuel station already. Right next to me. Jesus, it's a nice Prius, isn't it? 5 of my cars for the price of that. That is depressing. My man is just sat here burning petrol. brakes them up. Fucking 73 quid, you're taking this. Oh my fucking god, it's night time right now. Listen to how the cold air has been sucked into the engine. Oh my god. Overall though, super impressed with the RAMAIR filter. I don't even care about the performance. Am I gonna feel like 10 brake horsepower increase? No. Am I gonna hear the Darth Vader sound? Yes. The sneezes in Sports Plus, I think when you're, it's different. In Sports Plus it's a sneeze. In Comfort it is just a slow let off. You can't really hear it at a standstill unfortunately, but you can definitely hear it sucking the shit out of the air. Ugh. That is actually, unfortunately, the end of the RAMAIR induction kit. I'm going to film this outro very quickly because I'm going to look like a burnt pretzel by the end of this. I think it looks absolutely insane and definitely sounds insane. I mean, look at that carbon fibre that ties in with the splitter, the mirrors, everything. Just looks absolutely 1010. Match it with a Forge Motorsport charge pipe, and oh my god, the noises that come out of this, orgasmic. It is so hot, I needed a piss, and now I think it's evaporated inside my bladder. That's how hot it is. But anyway guys, if you're interested in picking up your own RAMAIR filter, then click the link in the description. Been supporting the channel for absolutely ages. I owe them like a free BJ or something, honestly. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you faces in my next video.